Okay, here we go. Found the fix for this. This is the Hydor Evo. This will be the 1400, but 1050. Same footprint as far as the impeller goes. So what we have here is we have this slap. There is this that seems to be causing some distress for folks, more so for some than others, because of where their tanks are. So you can't have that. So I got to thinking here. 17 cents is little nylon bushings I bought. They mic out to they're a ½ inch on the outside diameter here, and then they mic in. The inside is at 1/4. So that's what you got. Depth wise, my gosh, you're looking at 2 millimeters. But yeah, so 17 cents. Got some snips here. I just cut the number out of there. Give it a little action like that. Now I tried it on the top up here because it was easier. Went the easy first, but it didn't work out. It made a little humming noise. So I come in here. You just go in there like that. Pops right in. Slap. There's a little bit. You could probably go if you can find a little thicker bushing. Maybe try that. But mine wasn't making a lot of noise. But I've already done 2 of them, and they are quiet as a church mouse. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this in there, do my other ones, and then come back and let you know. So there it is, 17 cents, little nylon bushing, ½ inch OD, 1/4 inch ID. Snip off a little bit, leave more than 60% so that it snaps on there and doesn't fly off. Could go a little thicker, but I don't want to also cause any stress on the motor too. So, you know, your call on that one. But I think that's the fix, baby. So, hope it works out. Bye.